7:30 p.m. We have a no spray kind of day. I'll take everybody on an evening garden tour. It's Monday, July 1st, 7:30 p.m. Front we have our cantaloupe. Lots of flowers. This is kale. We have romaine in the floor, and then in the middle right here, that is something I was able to keep alive from last year indoors. And it is growing again this year, so that was my kind of experiment that worked so far. I really forget what these are called. If you know what these are called, let me know, guys. It's like a beet-ish. They're huge, and I'm sure I need to pick them and do something with them, but I don't remember what they are. It's not a radish, but let me know. Purple things are really pretty. That is all cucumber. There's two kinds. There's little cucumbers and big cucumbers. I don't know the names. I'm terrible with that. I didn't do a plot map like I should have. This is watermelon here in the middle. It's laying down because I just trained it. I'm training it to grow between my lettuce. And eventually it's going to all climb up the wall. Two cucumbers. We have a zucchini from last year. And I think it may have fruits. We have thyme. Right there. We have cilantro. Rhubarb. Already been picked once. Freezer. This is Georgia green. This is my permaculture wildness. Plantain in the middle here. Huge seed pods. We have our purple bell pepper. Strawberries. Sweet baby peppers. Sunflowers. They have little, they're not big ones. We were wrong. They're little babies. Striped yellow flowers. Got our beans. 3 different beans. Tomatoes. Different kinds. Planted rosemary here. And a row between all the tomatoes to help with bugs. This one's not doing very good. And so next year we won't be getting the supersonic. Because that's what it is. Getting something on this. But we'll take these while we're here. Awesome. Snack. These are big boys. They're just not doing super good this year. Oh, that's fine. I got potatoes. Tons of potatoes. And 2 more sunflowers. And a little tomato there that's not really done much. This is last year's spearmint. Just tall. Up to my arm. Yeah, super tall. Cilantro that's gone to flower. The cucumbers? Multiple miscellaneous things, very little grass.